In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address associated with your Amazon account. This process is straightforward and only requires a few minutes of your time. Whether you're updating your contact information for security reasons or simply switching to a new email, I'll guide you through each step to make the transition as seamless as possible. To get started, the first thing you need to do is access the Amazon website. Make sure you're logged into your account by entering your username and password if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this section and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From there, select Your Account to proceed to your account settings. Now that you're in the account settings, the next step is to navigate to the Login and Security section. Simply click on it and you may be prompted to re-enter your password. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to sensitive information. Once you successfully access the Login and Security page, you'll see various sections related to your account, including your email address. Look for the email address section, and you'll notice an Edit button right next to it. Go ahead and click on Edit to proceed with updating your email information. Now, it's time to enter your new email address. Carefully input your updated email details and double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues later on. Once you're confident the information is correct, find the Save Changes button and click on it. But we're not done yet. To ensure that the new email address is valid and belongs to you, Amazon will send a verification code to your newly provided email. Check your inbox for an email from Amazon and locate the verification code. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check any spam or junk mail folders just in case it got filtered out. With the verification code in hand, go back to the Amazon website and enter the code when prompted. This step confirms your new email address and completes the initial part of the process. Depending on your account settings, you might be asked to reconfirm your password or enter another security code. Just follow the prompts accordingly. Finally, after completing all the necessary steps, you can click Done on the Login and Security page. Your Amazon account is now linked to your new email address. This not only keeps your information up to date, but also helps maintain the security of your online activities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating through the changes on your Amazon account.